exciting for me.
Absolutely. Okay, so now in regards to your career, you're a poet and you're also a film teacher. So today is very relevant for you as well. So now talking about because you're a teacher as well. So what is happening right now? You're on your sixth book. Is this correct?
This
This is
is
the
fifth
fifth.
one.
This is the
Yeah.
fifth.
Yeah,
I'm sorry,
and
my
this is the
maths is
second
off.
edition of
Yes.
the.
So why did you write it? How did you get into it? And being a film teacher as well and then a writer, how does that play hand in hand?
Well, I became film teacher later. First of all, I started writing poetry, and maybe in my teenage, I used to write poems and ghazals, and the rhymatic schemes and the rhythm and this music within poetry that runs in the veins of poetry actually inspires, actually that captivates us when you are young, when you are in teenage, obviously. So ashar and the verses and rhymatic schemes actually haunt you.
Yeah.
Similarly, they haunted me as well, and I started writing poetry.
Okay.
And later on, when I started studying film, I came to know that film is like a poem. Very interesting. It is very
Yeah.
interesting. Film is like writing a poem. Film is like reading a poem. As we have some parameters of poems. For example, we have alphabets, we have rhymatic schemes, and we have some, especially in Urdu, we have kafiya and radif. Similarly, when we are making a film, we have some limitations and we have some tools, and those tools are actually the alphabets of film.
But what is the justification?